First with the KX Storm Team, putting North Dakota first. Local weather with the KX Storm Team.
And we're here to remind you of February 14th, Giving Hearts Day starting tomorrow. Hey Tom, how's the weather?
Well, thank you, gentlemen. And tomorrow is the day that you can become a charity champion by donating to your favorite charity. Now, the forecast for tomorrow, since you guys asked, the snow that's falling tonight is going to end tomorrow, mainly in the morning, if it hasn't by the time you go to bed. And then we are going to have another Arctic blast. We have a wind chill advisory in effect for the entire area. Now, there's a winter weather advisory off to the east. There's going to be some snow, probably not enough to get us into the winter weather advisory criteria. Looking at the report now, the roads have kind of improved a little bit, just a few areas here or there where there's some scattered ice, mainly in the northwest. This is the radar in the satellite, and it is snowing in Williston. Just the radar beams over the top of the cloud right now, so you can't see it, but there is some snow there, snow up into the north, and most of this is going to stay north of Lake Sakakawea, but there will be a few snow showers to the south. You can see a little bit developing right there. That'll head in the general direction of Bismarck. As we look around the rest of the state, everybody this hour is above zero. That's kind of nice. I think everybody, yeah, even Flasher, Linton, Medina. Bowman's kind of the warm spot right now at 21 degrees. And in the north now, if you look at Crosby up in the northwest, the site just went down like last hour. So we have a little issue there. But other than that, just a couple of spots that are below zero and just really close to zero. Some of the wind chills are, again, there's Crosby blank, but mostly 10, 15 degrees below zero, except when you get to the far south where we don't have as much wind and it's a little bit warmer, so it's not quite as brutal. Now, here's our precision cast at 7 o'clock tonight. The snow is going to be mainly in northwestern, some north central North Dakota. None of this is going to be heavy. I think total snow amounts tonight are going to be as an average 1 to maybe 2 inches. There could be a couple of spots they get around 3. And then on the fringes of this, will probably be even less than an inch. So this isn't like a really big storm. By 10 o'clock, maybe not all of it, but a lot of it will be east of Highway 83, maybe another little snow band up in the far north. And then if you look down to the southwest, looks like a little bit of snow. Well, once we get into Thursday, the sky is going to clear out. We'll actually have a little bit of sunshine. Arctic air is going to be pouring in tomorrow, and tomorrow night's going to get even colder. You can see fairly clear sky. That's going to allow for very rapid cooling tomorrow night. And then once we get to Friday morning, another system is going to be in the area. This one's really going to impact the southwest and maybe the south central. So Friday morning, maybe a little bit of snow in southwestern. That actually could be a little substantial there. And then by Friday afternoon, we have a band from northwest to southeast. It does appear that the southwestern part of the state is likely going to have the highest amounts. In fact, this will take anything that happens tonight through Sunday. So and there's actually going to be 3 rounds of snow, and most of it is going to be falling in the southwest, a place that really needs the moisture. And we're looking at roughly 3 to 5 inches in the southwest up towards Williston, and it looks like less snow than that for this area shaded right there in the lighter blue. So your 72-hour planner for Dickinson, we have a couple of days of snow on the way, Friday and Saturday, pretty good odds on Saturday. And then once we get to Williston, yeah, we've got snow as well. The odds aren't quite as high on Friday, but still looks like snow. And here's your temperature forecast. Tomorrow morning, it's going to be cold, but watch what happens at 12 noon. It doesn't even get above zero. It's going to be cold all day long. And tomorrow, that we top out about 3 o'clock. And tomorrow night, it gets really cold in the northwest. Wind chills tomorrow morning to start the day. Those are some seriously cold wind chills. So here's a look at the next 7 days. I don't see a huge warm up, but it does look like once we get to about Wednesday of next week, it finally warms up at least a little bit.
Not too bad.
Shaking my head. Next in our 5 at